Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Trisha and I wanted to share another wonderful idea with you. I decided to make a faux Juju hat and I've seen this a lot on Pinterest. I'm not sure if you have, but I've been eyeing this for a while and I decided to make it. It's not the typical items that you would use that I see on Pinterest, so I just wanted to share this in case you are thinking of making one. First, I'm going to take a white sheet of poster board, fold it in half, and tie a string around the center part of my pen. I'm using embroidery thread for this, but you can use any string that you may have on hand. While keeping my hand in the center bottom of the poster board, I'm going to extend the pen out as far as I can and draw an arc. Next, I'm going to take my scissors and cut out the arc that I just created. Now I have a circle. Starting in the middle, I'm going to glue down boa feathers to the poster board. But first I'm going to take off the knot on the end of it and add a little bit of hot glue to the end. Next, I attached it to the center. Then added a bit of hot glue to the edge. To reduce the amount of times I cut the boa, I just folded the boa forward, gluing one end to the center and the other end to the edge. I'm going to repeat the same process until the entire poster board is covered. Question of the day: what other projects could you use a boa for? Once that's done, I'm going to flip out the feathers and cut down the sides. For this part of the project, I'm going to use a frame that I already had. It is 18 by 24 inches. I'm going to take all the contents out, and that includes the plexiglass. Next, I'm going to place the Juju hat on top of a black sheet of poster board. Once I have the hat centered, I'm going to hot glue it to the poster board. After the glue has dried, it's time to add the contents back into the frame. Place the black poster board inside first, then the backing and secure. That's it. Hang it on the wall and admire what you've accomplished. I hope you guys enjoy this project. It's really easy to do. All of the materials came from the Dollar Tree with the exception of the frame, which was from Walmart. So what do you think?